Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Kiana here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare for a new semester using Notion. I'll let you guys know that I filmed this video a few weeks ago and I'm just now doing a voiceover. Nursing school has your girl busy, but let's get right into this video. Decided to use the Notion app instead of a physical planner this term. I'll leave the link down below that you can use and customize, and Notion is free to use. Here you can create your workspace, and if you want to, you can attach a link for your syllabus or your unit outline. And I have a home page here, but I went ahead and made two separate pages for my classes, and I'm going to walk you through how I set it up. So you can change the title, the course name, and the icon as well. So I went ahead and added my syllabus to one of my courses, and then for the other one I did /embed to add my syllabus to upload a file. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to organize my course content. If you see, there's a table there, and I organized everything by week and lecture. In the first column, I put the week. Then in the second column, I put the title of the lecture and the number of the lecture. In the next column, I uploaded the PowerPoint slides just in case I needed to review any of the content at a later time. Then I created a new column by clicking on the plus sign, and then I titled it Readings. Then I went to my weekly schedule and I just copied down the required readings. This is just so I'd have everything all in one place. And then I went ahead and repeated the same for the following weeks. Usually if I find a topic difficult to understand, then I will look up videos on YouTube. This right here is Registered Nurse RN. If you haven't checked her out, please do. She's great. And then I'll just copy the link to the video and then go back to Notion. And then anywhere on the page you can do /video, and you can embed the video that way. I love this feature a lot and I really find it useful. You can also create mini flashcards. I haven't done this yet, but I provided an example. So you would just type /toggle list, type a question in, then hit the toggle and write the answer underneath. Simple as that. So my last section can be found at the bottom of my page. It is my revision spaced repetition schedule. This is what my schedule will look like leading up to an exam. To create an event, you just click on the plus sign and then add a page or lecture. And I just type at L1 for lecture 1 and at L2 for lecture 2 and so on and so forth. I like to study in spaced intervals, that way I'm able to cover the material at least a few times, 3 to 4 times. So here in my revision schedule, I am setting my review days for 1 day after the lecture, 3 days after the lecture, 5 days after the lecture, 7 days after the lecture, and so on and so forth, all leading up to an exam. And here I'm just doing the same for lecture 2. And finally, you can download this app onto your iPhone or your iPad. Again, this app is free. All the information should sync across all devices so that you're able to use it on the go. So this is all I have for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more content like this, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!